In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether you're working from home or the office, the ability to sign documents digitally has become increasingly essential. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of setting up and using a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Easy, convenient, and just a few clicks away. First, you'll want to open the PDF document you intend to sign within Acrobat Reader. It's important to make sure you're working with the correct document to avoid any errors or confusion later on. Once your document is open, look towards the menu and navigate to the option labeled Tools. Here, you'll want to find and select Certificates. Now, don't worry if you don't see Certificates immediately. In that case, just click on Tools again and then Add. From there, select Certificates. This step ensures that you have access to all the necessary features to create your digital signature. Next, find the button that says Digitally Sign, or in certain versions, it might read Add Digital Signature. This feature allows you to designate where on the document your signature will appear. What you need to do now is to click and drag a rectangle in the designated area where you'd like your digital signature to be placed on the document. Imagine this rectangle as a placeholder for your personal signature space. Once you've drawn the rectangle, you'll see the sign with a Digital ID dialog pop up. If you've previously set up a digital ID or certificate, this is where you select it. On the other hand, if this is your first time, don't worry. Select Configure New Digital ID, which might also be phrased as a new digital ID I want to create now. Setting up a digital ID involves a few simple steps, such as deciding where to store the file, choosing a password, and filling in your personal details like name and email. This helps to ensure authenticity and security for your digital signature. After selecting or creating your digital ID, you will be prompted to confirm several aspects of your signature. This includes its appearance, the reason you're signing, and even the current date and time. You also have the option to lock the document after signing, which prevents any further editing. This can be a useful feature if you're completing a legal document or any other paperwork where integrity is paramount. Once everything is set to your satisfaction, go ahead and click Sign. At this point, Adobe will likely ask you to save a copy of the document, prompting you to choose a location and file name. This is the version of your document that will contain your signature. Completing this step means your signature embeds straight into the PDF. Finally, look for a signature panel or status message that confirms a valid signature. This is your assurance that the signature process was successful. With these steps, you've transformed an ordinary PDF into an authenticated document with your digital signature. And that's it. You now have a digitally signed document ready to use in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your digital documentation process both efficient and hassle-free.